hustle is just an extension of myself. It's about going out there and trying to achieve your dreams regardless of what it takes to make it happen. Hi, this is Raghav Meattle and I'm here in Central Park, CP. I'm really excited to have all of you here with me. This is an event unlike any other as we count down to the launch of the new Volkswagen Taigun. So let's get right into it. What you're about to experience tonight is a unique immersive installation using proprietary technology which has just been made for this. I'm super excited. I've never seen anything like this. While you get this bird's eye view of this grand light installation, keep a lookout for tonight's hustle code which can make you win really exciting prizes, including the new Volkswagen Taigun. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Now when the Volkswagen Taigun team reached out to me with their theme Hustle, it really resonated with me. So the songs that I've chosen for you tonight are two songs that I wrote when I just moved to the city. I was hustling really hard. I was living out of a matchbox apartment. I was performing my music everywhere, but essentially just trying to make a living in this big city. These are songs that encapsulate my hustle, and I hope you guys resonate with them and enjoy it tonight.
I claim to be this person, not selfish, not greedy. Well, that's not me. It's hard to be. I'd hate to be mistaken for someone not needy. Well, that's just me. It's hard to see. I close my eyes in dust bowls called city life. Wonder why we live here and why we haven't left. I close my eyes in narrow lanes and pigsty. Wonder why I can't see the sky and all the stars. Why we all chase the love, we all chase the cars, we all chase the good life with broken hearts. I can sing to the clouds, sing to the rain. It won't mean a thing in these back trains. I close my eyes to begging kids and their cries. Wonder why I can't see the stone that I've become. I close my eyes to honeybees and butterflies. Wonder why they fell trees and how they aim to breathe. Why we all chase the love, we all chase the cars, we all chase the good life with broken hearts. I can sing to the clouds, sing to the lake. It won't mean a thing in these back trains. I claim to be this person, not selfish, not greedy. Well, that's just me. It's hard to be. This one's for all the hustlers out there. All I've done is chase things in the dark, for things that dim me mind right from the start. What felt good wasn't always right. Who cares now? I'm just about to find. I'm not waiting for some phone call. I'm not staring at the wall. I'm not hoping for some miracle. Oh, I'm better than it all. The future's never looked so bright. Opinions on the left and my right. I'm waking up a tad bit late, but I'm not living a lie. But I'm not living a lie. I used to walk, crawl or run. It all felt the same. For things that didn't mean much, I could always take the blame. What felt good wasn't always right. Who cares now? I'm just about to find. I'm not waiting for some phone call. I'm not staring at the wall. I'm not hoping for some miracle. Oh, I'm better than it all. The future's never looked so bright. Opinions on the left and my right. I'm waking up a tad bit late, but I'm not living a life. I'm not waiting for some phone call. I'm not staring at the wall. I'm not hoping for some miracle. Oh, I'm better than it all.
The best part about creating music is this moment where I get to tell my own story to you. Maybe you will resonate with it, maybe you'll relate to it, and it'll touch your life in some way. So keep commenting and tell me what you thought of my performance. I'm reading all of your comments. Tomorrow there's a really special performance by this dance act called Kings United, which not only rocked India, but the entire world with their dance moves. Definitely tune in tomorrow to catch their hustle story and performance. Also, did you manage to catch the hustle code in the light show tonight? If you did, head over to the website and solve it. There are some really cool prizes to be won, including the grand prize of our very own Volkswagen Taigun. So if you want to get your hustle mode on, get out there and test drive this ultimate machine. Alright, this was me, Raghav Meattle, signing off tonight. Thank you so much for joining us and experiencing this wonderful light show with us. I hope you enjoyed the performance too. See you soon. Have a good night.